May we be blessed. May we be blessed. Oh, hear our prayer. May we be known.
In the 50 years since Earth Day started, the temperature of the world has gone up 1.5 degrees. And just like the whole world has been slowed down by the COVID virus, a virus comes as a warning signal to all of us. Just when our body gets smart, if we're sick, we actually slow down, we eat more healthily. So today on Earth Day, we want this virus ultimately to be a force for good in human civilization.
So I am sounding the call from right hand Israel, sounding the call for all of us who care about the land of Israel. Let's return the harmony between the people of Israel and the land of Israel. Let's be a sustainable light to the nations. Toda Rabbi.
May my body be a bridge.
We're sounding the call on behalf of Hazon to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Earth Day.
Hazon.org, #sound the call.
I am so glad that you guys are helping lead us down this path. It's going to take, among other things, people of faith, of all faith traditions, to be rallying around right now.
And I'm sounding the call of the shofar today to say, on the other side of this, I and my community will do all that is possible to work for a more sustainable Jewish community, for a more sustainable world, a healthier and more sustainable world for all of us, for our children, for all of us.
I've been working in this hospital in the city, really working on healthcare disparities for the last 15 years. And never has it been more apparent than this time that we find ourselves in. So I'm sounding the call for all of us in our country to wake up to the disparities that are so profound, and for us to recognize our interconnection and the sacred value of every human being.
We really ought to recommit ourselves to not just winning this fight on the virus, but to saving this planet. It's the only one we have.
The world of nature, its beauty, the outcry of mute things, it comes first now for the world, and we have to heed it.
We need to recommit individually, in our organizations, and through advocacy and political action to fight for a sustainable environment for all, and to enact the laws we need to protect our future. We urge you all to join the call.
Yeah, 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 yeah. That we are of the earth. We human beings are the earth. We are embodiments of the earth.
I'm sounding the call because I've sat 3 years of education in school that just doesn't teach the severity of what's going on.
Can you blow the shofar for everybody?